Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this Dutch fishtail braid. It's just a basic 3-strand Dutch braid that turns out the fishtail braid before the end. Start with the bunch of hair. Separate the hair in 3 and start the braid, bringing strands alternately from side, under to the middle, and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. Left under, add hair, right under, add hair. Left under, add hair, right under, add hair. Keep on repeating this pattern. To get more volume for the style, I also pancake the edges of the braid. Just pinch the edge of the stitch and pull it out. Pinch and pull it out. I braid a little bit more, and then I pancake also the another side, and then continue braiding. Once you have only few extra hair left that you haven't already added in, start the braid as a fishtail braid. So at some point just start to take smaller sections and bring them from side under to the middle. Especially in the beginning when you have basically 2 bunches of hair from the another side, and on the another side you have only 1 piece of hair, so of course the another side is smaller than the other. So in the beginning, make sure that you bring a little bit more hair from the thicker side to the thinner one, so they will end up on the same size as soon as possible. And after that, just continue braiding. Take a small piece at a time, bring it under to the another side, and then repeat the same from the another side. And then just continue at this until the end of the hair, or as long as you have reached desired length. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!